Welcome to the course Shopify for beginners up to advanced. I'm gonna teach you how you go from a complete beginner to an advanced Shopify user. In this course, you are going to create exactly the same website like me, but then with your own products. I will put slider images in the resources so you can use the same slider images like me. And we are going to use a free theme in this course. Let's switch to the dashboard of Shopify. So right over here, I'm gonna explain you it all step by step how it works. So we are going through all the settings right over here when you click on settings. And we are gonna cover the whole dashboard of Shopify. So I'm gonna learn you how you master the Shopify system in less than 2 hours. So that's great. So what you see right over here, we're gonna go through all the settings too. And yeah, it's great. So I hope I'll see you soon, and I hope you will enroll my course. Thanks.